Good morning, all the participants. Welcome to workshop on artificial intelligence application development using IBM Cloud. The workshop will be conducted on 9th June 2021 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. We are using the Zoom as well as the YouTube platform. Hope all of you have registered for the workshop. Now, as a prerequisite for this workshop, we have a small registration procedure. Now, I will explain the registration procedure step by step. First thing is you have to create an IBM cloud account. So after that, you have to register yourself in the Eventbrite website, which would be shared to the IBM. So next one will be the call for code registration step. So if you already have an IBM account, then no need to register again. So you can use the same credentials and you can log in with it. If you don't have the IBM cloud account, you please follow the steps which I show you in this video and you register for the IBM cloud. So those who have the IBM cloud, you directly go to step number 2 and register at the Eventbrite website. Let me share the screen first. So these are the 3 steps which we are going to follow. First one is the IBM cloud which you are going to register. Second one will be the event registration page. Third one will be the call for code registration page. So these links will be provided in the chat box. Okay, these links will definitely provide in the chat box, and from there you can use those particular things. Okay, and you or you can simply follow that particular screen also, where it's a https://ibm.biz/B_f_P_ZZ. Okay, so that is the thing. Let me open the first link and show what is the procedure behind it. Let me open the page. Okay, so I have copied the same code and I am pasting it in the window, and after opening that particular window, see here you got a screen to create an account where you have to provide your email ID. So you provide your email ID and it will ask you to set a password, and after setting the password it will ask you to verify the email. One OTP will be sent to your email and you have to enter that particular OTP in this thing, and after that they will ask you your personal information, and once you give all the information, and your account will be created. Okay, see this in the email, and after that click on this particular next button. So and now you have to one verification code has been sent. Okay, so I have copied and pasted the verification code over here, and yes, now my email got verified. Now click on the create account. So click on the create account. It may take a while. There is no need of any credit card or debit card, or even you no need to pay even a single pi also. So it will not ask you for any cards. It will not ask you for any card information also. So it will take a couple of minutes actually before creating that particular account. See here. So after that, this screen will appear. Click on the continue, and you have to set a password over there. Okay, the password should contain uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and a number, and a special character also. So, and it should be of length 8 in size. Remember the password which you are giving. It should better if it should contain one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, as well as one number, and it should be of size 8. So click on the, after giving that, click on the continue. I have given my password over there and click on the login. So after giving the password, then it will redirect to the IBM cloud account. So see here, this is the IBM cloud account. Okay, so this is the account which I have created. So with this, what we can say, step number 1 is completed. Let me share again the link over there. So now go to step number 2. Step number 2 is nothing but you have to go to this CFC India event. Okay, you have to go to the CFC India event and you have to register yourself in that particular event. So copy the link, or you can simply type http://bit.ly/CFC India event. Okay, again open the browser and give that particular link over there. Let me share the browser. Okay, so I am copying and pasting it. Even you can type the links. The links will be given in the description of this video. You can see over there. And whenever you click on there, see here, workshop call for code address CIT Guntur. Okay, it says that June 9th, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., where you have to click on this particular register. Okay, so see here, this is the agenda which we are going to follow. Talk on call for code global challenge, demystifying DS, AI, ML, EL, and traditional programming versus AI, ML programming, life cycle, applications. Okay, and finally the SLR demo using IBM Cloud. So this will be the agenda for that 2 hours event, and click on this particular register. After clicking on that particular register, see, generally what we have to do is go for this general admission and click take number 1. So it says that only one person can register for this particular account. If you want to register multiple persons, you can take multiple numbers also. But registering one will be very easy when compared with others. Click on the register. So it will ask you for the names and all. You give the name. And you confirm the mail ID. And again, you give the name. The same information you can provide here. Choose your college name as Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, next. So give the email address. I forgot to give the email address here. Now click on this register button. So you have to complete this entire procedure in 10 minutes only. Okay, see now they have sent me a ticket to this call for code workshop. Okay, so this is the registration process which we follow for IBM. Okay, and if you click on this particular view tickets, you can simply view those particular ticket, whatever you have taken, you can see the particular ticket. Okay, so this is the step number 2. Next, let me share the screen again. So moving on to the step number 3. So step number 3 is nothing but registering ourselves in the callforcode.org website. Okay, https://callforcode.org. So all the links will be there in the description box. You can see over there. So now let me share the screen again. Okay. So what I have done is I have opened this particular callforcode.org. Click on this particular learn how to get started. Click on this learn how to get started. So next one will be scroll down a little bit and click on this particular join the community. Okay, click on this join the. So now see, already you have created an account now, so no need to give your information again. Instead of that, click on this particular login option. Click on this login option. So after that, give your mail ID and click on continue, and it will ask you for the password and view that particular password which you have created, and you will be logged into this particular thing. Okay, it will take a while, and you click on this particular thing, sign up, personalize, whatever thing which you need. You click on these options and click on this complete your registration. This is the procedure which you have to follow for the workshop, which is going to be conducted on 9th June 2021. The workshop name is AI Application Development using IBM Cloud. The workshop name is AI Application Development using IBM Cloud. Next, you can go for this, access the resources, you can get connected with the community and all, and you can submit your application. This complete thing will be explained by the resource person in the workshop. Okay. So thank you all of you, and I hope everyone will complete these 3 steps before attending the workshop. Completing these 3 steps are mandatory. So all of you, please complete it as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.